Take this.
Gunther, that's my yeast system. What the hell?
Mr. Campion.
Do you have any whole cakes, Rachel?
Just a whole cake?
I'd like one.
Okay.
But I need you to write something on it for me. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Good. I want you to write... Congratulations, Rachel Berry. You are Fanny Bryce.